Good morning, Antoinette. I have stuff I need to go do, aka go get food, and I slept. I freaking slept. Phone, wallet, GoPro. Okay, we're good. Oh yeah, I freaking slept. I am so proud of myself. Even though I fell asleep at like 4 o'clock. No, like 5 o'clock. But I slept through the night, woke up once at 2, fell back asleep, and then woke up again at 5. Yes, sleeping schedule on the way to getting fixed. Fuck, yes. Okay, let's not fuck up the waffle today. That would be nice. Not as bad as usual. Yay! Yeah. Nope, hi. That looks cool. Okay, how do I pop you up?
Where the plastic workers for that before they scratch that thing all up.
Yeah, I don't want to scratch it. Come on. Barbie. Hi.
All have to sacrifice ourselves sometimes.
Hello, CMU. This is Editor here. If you like local music and if you support your local high schools, please come to the CMU Jazz Ensemble with Central High School Jazz Band opening up on March 7th at CMU's Department of Music at the Moss Performing Arts Center Robinson Theater at 7:30 p.m. Please come. More information, just look it up. Wow. Here is more local music. Wow, I'm a bad person. I failed. I failed so bad. Oh my god, I failed that bad. My brain did not function. Okay, so I have an awesome thing that I'm going to be doing here once I get over to the film, the art department over there. It's one of my first videos. I'm gonna link it over here, that I'm going to rescore and remaster into something a little bit better. I'm not going to redo the video because I don't have the stuff to redo the video right now, but I'm going to remaster it into something awesome, which just also happens to be a film project. So, yay! So tell me what you guys think once I upload it. Yay! And once it's uploaded, I'll put another link there. If I remember to put a link, that is. Oops. If I don't, oh well. You'll see it when it gets uploaded. Hi! How old is she? Oh, I can definitely see in the paws especially. Hi!
This is what happens when you bring your puppy in college. I know. We live off campus every time we bring him on.
How old is he?
Everywhere. He's 10 weeks.
Gee, gosh. The healer they're both really hyper dogs. Mix.
But he's been sleeping a lot. So.
What you doing? Whose is that?
That is Puppy's.
Hey, Josh. Hi. Yes, hi. Hi. How's yours?
What?
How old is yours?
She has her mouth open when she decides to listen, you know. So
Hi. She just like looks at everything.
she likes everyone.
She's really curious.
Uh-huh.
Luckily, Border Collies and Australian Shepherds take well and listen well most of the time.
Most of the time. She's in the hang of it. Come here. Come on. Hey. Bye, Roxy. Bye. Bye. I'm over here.
I like how that's how you call her.
Well, if I say bye, most of the time she'll like follow me because I leave her at home and I'll say bye all the time. Usually, so.
What? I'm petting you, so you give me it.
I know, they're adorable. Made my day.
Hi. Yes. Oh, that's my face. Yes. What? I'm petting you, so you give me it.
I know, they're adorable. Made my day.
Hi. Yes. Oh, that's my face. She just perked up.
Oh, oh my god, he's not fluffy, but I love him. Come here.
I like how he just kind of looks and is like, eh.